If you're teaching AP Computer Science principles and want to give your students more targeted support on any topic, AI Creator makes that incredibly easy. Just navigate to the lesson that you're wanting to focus on, click on the lesson plan, and choose Create with AI. Now you can choose what you want to generate, an exercise, notes, quiz, practice, example, or Parsons problem. I'm going to choose quiz. And then choose the language you'd like to use. I'm going to then specify that I would like to create 5 questions. And I'll instantly get a range of options. From here, I can review the questions that the creator has generated for me. I may need to make them easier or make them harder. I'm going to choose to make it a little harder. That looks better. Once I'm happier with the questions, I can either assign them directly, I can fork them, I can turn it into a quiz buzz, and here's where you can assign it or you can preview it. I'm going to hit assign, go to my course, make sure I have the correct section, and then I'm going to go down to where I was at and add it to the lesson and assign. And just like that, in under 2 minutes, I've created a custom AP aligned quiz that challenges my students and saves me time.